Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to disconnect Steam from Epic Games. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To initiate the process, begin by ensuring that your Epic Games launcher is actively running. Once launched, navigate to the upper right corner and click on your profile. From the drop-down menu, choose Account, which will redirect you to the browser interface. Once in the browser, go ahead and scroll down to locate and click on the Apps and Account section. Within this section, pay specific attention to the integration with Steam. Confirm that your Epic Games account is successfully linked with your Steam account. It's crucial for this linking to be established, otherwise the option to remove the linkage won't be accessible. Upon verifying the successful linking, you should now be able to spot the remove button. Click on it to finalize the process. By following these steps meticulously, you can seamlessly detach your Epic Games account from Steam. This straightforward procedure ensures the disconnection of the account, providing you with the autonomy to manage your gaming platforms efficiently. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.